We both agree, since we live in New Zealand, we shouldn't be stuck in city, because it's boring. So we always spend time to travel around, to enjoy the leisure, to go back to the nature. The summer of South Hemisphere is coming, so we decided to go for another camping. Last time we popped up at the farthest side of Coromandel Peninsula. We drove 4 or 5 hours to reach Fletcher's Bay, which is at the seaside. It was a pretty windy day, but we still enjoyed a lot. This time, we wanted camping at some places with mountain views, so we went all the way down to the center of North Island, which is 400 kilometers away, Tongariro National Park. It was a quite long but enjoyable car trip. I love driving New Zealand, always full of Kiwi scenes and objects. When we reached the foot of mountains, it was already sunset time. After 5 hours driving, we finally arrived at this campsite. So on my left side, that is Mount Rabahu, the highest mountain of Northland. This is our campsite. We're gonna stay here overnight and enjoy some steak. And behind the camera is my wife. After the arrival, we had to set up the tent very quickly, because the sky was getting dark soon. It is generally not allowed to do free camping in New Zealand, because of the potential harm to the environment. Even camper vans can't stay at wherever they want. So we have to camp in these campsites. They're quite close to sceneries and hiking tracks, and you can definitely enjoy a safe environment here. We brought a full camping gear with a quite spacious tent and other supporting equipment, and soon finished the setup. Some people may be surprised to find out that you may need to pay for your stay. Some campsites with their facilities are free, but this one is not. So, after you finish filling out the form, you put the money in this form, in this bag, and then put it in here. So it's pretty simple. Okay. This is the receipt. After finishing these stuffs, it's cooking time, also our favorite time. It's never difficult to wake up very early in the wild, because obviously you don't have so many gadgets to play with during night. After a luxury white breakfast, we began to explore a nearby track. Tramping such a track is a bit risky, but it's so fun and definitely worth of taking such risks. We even didn't plan to reach the mountain because we only had very short time. Now it's probably 3 p.m. Still 3 to 4 hours to go back to the campsite and another 4.5 hours to drive back to Auckland. So yeah, we enjoyed the trip, enjoy the process, not the result. The result is the trip itself.